Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. As promised, this is the what's in my suitcase video. And as you can see behind me, there is a lot of stuff to pack. And let's see if I actually have to take something out. So I have 4 shoes and they are all sneakers. I was originally going to take also high heels, but I never wear them, so that's why I didn't want to take them with me. And after these shoes, I move on to my t-shirts, which I might have too many. I'm now realizing as I'm watching this. And as you can see, I'm rolling all my clothes just to make more room for all the clothes. And I am only packing my most favorite clothes. This is where I realized that my jeans are a bit wet still, so I'm putting them back. Then I have 4 mini skirts. Oh, hello there, Mr. Beer. Nice zooming, thank you, Henry. This is important. It says Munka, which means Munkkiniemi, the place where I live, and that is going to be my school bag. Okay, moving on. That's licorice booze, one of my favorites, and also my favorite candies, 3 handbags. And of course, I need a lot of face masks. Thank you, Corona. Favorite lipstick, and my lip balm, if you know, you know. Toothbrushes, so boring. I usually never wear dresses, so I'm only taking 2 with me. Wow, that was beautiful. At this point, I was scared that the bag was going to be too heavy. Luckily, it was 20 kilos. The maximum is 23. Okay, moving on to my hand luggage. So I'm taking with me this notebook that says Totally Jawsome. Then I also have this crossword puzzle thingy, a Donald Duck book, I don't know if that's what it's actually called, and this exit game. These are for my quarantine, which is 2 weeks. And I cannot go anywhere without my licorice. Finally, my backpack, and in there I put my passport, this adapter thingy, then some Oreos and tiny candies, and also some cash. Okay guys, that was it. Thank you for watching, and also thank you, Vanessa, for requesting this piece of shit video. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.